today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the PSIER, P-S-I-E-R S18 wireless Bluetooth headphones. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. I'm going to give you a quick look at the box, and let's go ahead and open it. They are sealed in plastic, which I always like because I know that they've never been opened and returned, anything like that. Let's go ahead and open them up, take a quick look at them. So let me show you first. These are the earphones that I currently use. And these work okay, but I play tennis and I do a lot of jogging, and these earbuds tend to fall out of my headphones. The reason I went with these is they are over-the-ear headphones, and there's no cords, anything like that, totally wireless. So, a couple things, ultra long playing time. If you use the charging case, you've got up to 60 hours of playtime. Without the charging case, just using the headphones, you have 10 hours of playtime. Wireless charging case, waterproof. They are IPX7 waterproof. They have a digital LED display that hopefully we'll be able to see. So let's take a look at everything we get. Quick little instruction manual. The case itself. Charging cable, they take a Type-C charging cable. Got some different earbuds. Make sure that is everything. You've got 3 different sets of earbuds in case you have problems with them falling out of your ears. That's why they give you the extra earbuds. They are different sizes. Here's the charging case. This is going to be where you plug it in to charge it. And then there's a look at the headphones. If you haven't used these before, the part that goes around your ear is soft and flexible, so you really don't even feel it there, but it helps keep the earphones in your ear without falling out of your ear like the buds. Not a whole lot to show you here. It looks like there's a piece of plastic you'll want to use for your magnetic connections. And then let's put them back in the case and you can see what the LED display looks like. And you can see the lines here showing the charging, and then you've got your charging indicator over here. Case is nice and hard, it will protect them. These things are great. I leave this kind of stuff in my glove box, in my backpack. You've always got your headphones. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope the video helps.